In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Word as the default app for Word documents on Windows. We're going to make sure that every time you open a Word document, it launches straight into Microsoft Word without any extra clicks or prompts. This is especially helpful if your files have been opening in another app by default, or if you've recently installed Word and want Windows to recognize it as your go-to editor. Start by opening the Windows settings. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That keyboard shortcut takes you directly into Settings, which is where all your default app preferences live. Once Settings is open, look for the section called Apps. Go ahead and select Apps, then choose Default Apps. This area controls which programs Windows uses for opening different types of files and links, and it's exactly where we'll set Word as the default for Word documents. At the top of the Default Apps page, there's a search box that lets you find an app by name. Click in that box, type Word, and then click on Microsoft Word in the search results. This opens a page dedicated to Word's default associations. Here, you'll see an option labeled Set Default. Click that. By doing so, you're telling Windows to make Microsoft Word the default app for all the file types it supports. That includes common formats like .docx, .doc, and .dotx, among others. It's a simple one-click way to cover everything Word is designed to handle without having to change each file type one by one. Once you've done this, your change is in effect immediately. From now on, when you double-click a Word document, it will automatically open in Microsoft Word. You may also notice that the icons for your Word files update to show the Word logo, which is a good visual confirmation that the default is set correctly. If Word doesn't appear in the search, make sure it's installed and updated on your device. Also, note that these settings apply to your user profile on this Windows device, so they won't affect other users or other computers. That's all there is to it. You've set Microsoft Word as the default app for Word documents, ensuring a smooth, consistent experience every time you open your files. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section to follow along again.